Good day everyone, I am Javel Barogo of BSIE 2205 and today we're going to create a 3D drawing of this figure. This is quite easier to do or to draw since we are now mostly familiar with the functions of the Autocad. So without further ado, let's get started! The first thing to do is to switch the workspace into 3D modeling. Then type line in the command bar and indicate its measurement of 11. Then place your crosshair to the right and type 41. Then place your crosshair downward and type 18 for its measurement. Next one is again 41. Downward with a measurement of 11. And then 52 upwards with a measurement of 40 and connect it to the endpoint or type 52. Now click your orbit and then rotate the figure and input in the command bar the press. Select the object and type its measurement of 32. Select the visual style controls and click the shades of gray. Then draw a line here by clicking at the midpoint and type its measurement of 36. Next one would be creating a circle with a radius of 16. Again, click the circle, click at the center, and the diameter would be 16 as well. Then you just have to erase this one. And then type press pull in the command bar. Click this object and stretch it. Do also the same thing here at this corner. Press pull also this circle so we can have a hole from here. And then erase or remove those unnecessary lines. And now we make a line as well here at this side. So click the line and click at the midpoint and connect it to this side. And then type circle. Click here and type its diameter of 18. Enter. We need to remove this line so we can make a press in or a hole. Press pull this one with a measurement of 32. And there you have it. We have now our 3D drawing. So as you can see, we have a similar object from our guide figure. Thank you guys for watching. See you on our next vlog.
I wanna spend some time with you, just the two of us.